I'm not sure if you guys subscribe to Auto Body Times magazine, but January 2025, first edition for the year, said that Harbor Freight Spectrum spray gun now classifies as a professional spray gun. I couldn't believe it, bro. That's what they.
The Trigger Man, where we play no games and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
Trigger Man. Hey bro, you better not be pulling my leg. 3 turns out on the fluid, 3 turns out from closed. Man, thing got a wide fan on there, Trig. The fan is 1 turn in. Okay, alright. Alright, look good, Trig. 20 PSI. Okay, we got the gun settings. Now, what the hell going on here, man? What are you talking about? The damn Auto Body Times magazine and professional. Man, Trig, you better not be pulling my leg, bro. I ain't never even heard of no goddamn Auto Body Time magazine. Man, Trigger. Man, you're trying to put a switcheroo on me, brother. I see you putting down the 2K sealer that's almost the same color as... Oh, don't blow the paint back that way. Don't blow the sealer back to the back. Oh, that's why you're spraying it like at an angle like that. Oh, I see what you're doing, Trey. I see what you're doing, Trey. You already got your adhesion promoter on your raw plastic bumper, the Bulldog. Alright, Trey. So what's the deal, though? What's the deal, though, Trey? What's the... Wait, hold on. What's the deal, though? Meaning, like, what's the deal, though? That kind of sounded like deal, though. What's the deal, though? Never mind. What's the deal, though, Trey? What's the deal, though? What's the deal with this goddamn Harbor Freight gun and bye-bye water? Come on, Trey, man. You be talking some nonsense, bro. Like, a lot of times you talk some good... Oh, don't hold the gun back. You always be saying that, Trigger. Don't aim the gun back at the hood because we're gonna blow dirt from the bumper or anything that's on the bumper. You're gonna blow it back on the hood of the car. We know that by now, Trey. You be saying the same shit, man. Come on, Trey. Come on, Trey. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, back to this. Bye-bye water. Like, come on, bro. What are you talking about? The bros want to know, man. You know? Don't have us buying this goddamn Spectrum spray gun and it's still some little Mickey Mouse gun. Come on, bro. You better not be pulling my leg, Trey. Cause if so, you know goddamn well I'm gonna unsubscribe.
Okay, fellas. I want to know. You guys are the judges. The subscribers, the viewers, you're the judges, okay? You guys are the ones that told me about the Black Widow spray gun made by Spectrum. And damn it, for the last, I don't know, it's gotta be a year. I use the gun weekly and I get professional jobs with the gun. Incredibly. And I want to know from you guys, is this spray gun considered a professional spray gun? 4 turns out on the fluid. 4 turns out, the fan is still the same. Okay? So the only thing changed was I turned 1 additional turn out. 1, 4 and 4 is 8. 18 PSI? Okay, 18 PSI. That's what it was. 1 and 4 and 4 is 8. So that's what it is. But yeah, I want to know from you guys, is this considered a professional spray gun? I want to know from the DIY guys and from the guys spraying in the shops every single day. Because I use the gun every week. Like, the gun just don't sit around. And the gun is holding up. It's spraying good. It breaks down clear. High solids, medium solids, metallics, single stage, sealer, everything except 2K primer. See there? Nothing on this side of the body line. Do not cross that body line. Spraying your metallics. See the bottom of my fan hitting right at the edge of that body line? That's how you want to do on your metallics. The lower end of your fan should hit right on that. And don't worry about the overspray right here that's going back on the panel, because of course with metallics you're using what reducer? Slow. So that's melting in right over there. Besides, that's still wet. You just came across that, so that's not a big deal. Even though in the ideal situation, that other fender, you would want to blend that anyway, and that's actually what I forgot to tell the prepper to set up that fender to blend. You're doing the hood, new bumper. The bumper's gonna match right up to the fender. So ideally, yeah, you want to go ahead and blend it, but just out of habit of just looking and spraying hoods, you just want to get in the habit of staying on those body lines, using those body lines as a tool, another tool in your toolbox to pull off a good job. So like I said, I want to know from you guys in the comments, is the Black Widow considered a professional spray gun? Okay, I know a lot of the bougie painters will say you can't buy a rebuild kit for it, so no, they don't consider it professional. So I want to know, because I honestly feel like it is. You know, I had never heard of Black Widow until YouTube, until subscribers started mentioning it, and after I heard it a couple hundred times, that's when I finally said, okay, there must be something to this Black Widow. And you guys were right. 1.5. Okay, 15 PSI. Okay, must be the drop coat. Yeah, drop. Trying to stay away from that edge as much as possible. Again, on the edge there, see? On that same body line. At 15 PSI, back up off the panel a couple inches. Nice little drop coat. I know this looks like probably like that Nardo gray, kind of a little darker than that Nardo gray, but this is actually a metallic. See? No paint over here. Yeah, this is actually metallic. So, and good amount of metallics in here. A very coarse metallic as well. It's not like a real fine pearl. There is some heavy, coarse metallics in this. So you guys, let me know. Get in the comments now. Let's discuss. Is this considered professional, or is this just a DIY backyard bandit spray gun? Because I've been getting the same results. If the gun gives you the same results, professional results. Okay, what's this? 2, 4 and 4 is 8. 28. 28 PSI. 28 PSI. 4 turns out on the fluid. 1 turn in. Okay, those are the settings. A couple guys asked me recently about gun settings on this gun. That's what prompted me to go ahead and do a video on it. I hadn't done a video using the Black Widow in a while, so that's where we're at. So let me know, yeah, because I get the same exact results with this gun as I do with my water, LPH, WS 400 Series 1, WS 400 Series 2, GTI Pro Light, T110 cap, TE20 cap, same results. Wallcom, same results. So would this be considered professional in your eyes? Same results. Segola 4600 Extreme, Segola 4600 Non-Extreme, same results. Professional or DIY? Backyard bandit, warehouse warrior? Let me know.
Trigger man. Hey bro, I personally, I'm gonna say it's professional. I'm gonna say it's a professional spray gun. You know, I've used mine. I mean, I don't have this model. I got the one with the side fan control, but I think they're the same thing. But I got the previous model. Man, I've been using my spray gun for 6 years and no problem, you know. So I did my Hummer 2 times, you know, cause the first time it peeled. But I did my Hummer. I did my mother-in-law's car. Hers peeled too, but I don't mind. You know, I don't like that heifer. Yeah, hers peel. It's peeling now. She keep asking me. Yeah, Trigger. So I'm gonna go with professional. You know, it's just like tools. A mechanic. You know, if you don't have a snap-on, if you don't got a snap-on ratchet, and you use a Husky, does that make it you're not professional? You know, it's still the same. You know, or you use Craftsman, you know, or Cobalt. Hey man, you know, if it puts out a good quality professional finish, in my opinion, it's a professional tool. You know, they're only tools, Trig. Yeah, it's a tool, Trig. It's not the tool that makes it professional. You know, it's the finish. It's the person that's holding the tool, brother. I don't give a damn what you're spraying. It can be a super soaker. If you get a professional, good finish, in my eyes, Trigger, it's professional. But what the hell do I know? Unsubscribe.
Yeah, so my personal take on it, I mean, I think the gun is considered a professional spray gun. It's well built, machined well, it lasts. I haven't used them that long, but there's guys that have these spray guns for years, so I think it's definitely up there. I mean, of course, Seder jets that have been around forever, you know, but I think for $170, this will definitely be one of the more professional budget guns, in my opinion. I would definitely say this would be considered more of a professional spray gun than, say, an Astro. Do I hear any arguments there?
All right, we got it done. This is what we looking like. Ain't too shabby. Ain't too bad at all. Could be better. Could be worse. So we'll go with that. Okay. We'll go with that. Ain't too shabby. Got the AmTech looking pretty good. But yeah, man, so Harbor Freight Spectrum, still up there. It's professional spray gun, man. Now tell me, do y'all call this DIY or is this professional, the spray gun? Let me know, okay? I'll let you guys decide. But yeah, man, they're looking good. I ain't using. Very nice. We'll get outside in the sun, take a peek at it, so peace.
All right, this is what we're looking like next morning. Top of the morning to you. Good morning, everybody. This is what we're looking like next morning. Harbor Freight Spectrum Black Widow. Hey, I sprayed this with a Harbor Freight gun.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know. Hey, what's Black Widow?
Black Widow, that's a line that they have at Harbor Freight. It's like Spectrum spray gun, but there's one particular one that a lot of guys use called a Black Widow.
Fucking hey, man. I didn't know that.
I didn't know about it either until I started the channel and everybody was saying, oh, this Black Widow. But yeah, man, damn good.
I wonder who came up with that name.
Black Widow? Probably a Black Widow. But yeah, that's what we're looking like, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
It's good, man. It's all good.
Ain't too much sun out, but you get the gist of it. You get the gist of it. You get the gist of what I'm saying. Okay?
It's flat.
Yeah, so that's what it is. Spectrum is taking over. We're gonna have to bring all those prices, Iwata, Jet, everybody down. At the end of the day, just remember, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, guys, let me know. It's your call. Can the Spectrum, any of the Spectrum spray guns, more specifically the Black Widow, be considered a professional spray gun? Is there a chance you can walk into one of the big, fancy, state-of-the-art spray booths with digital, touchscreen, temperature controlled, all the bells and whistles, and see a Spectrum or Black Widow spray gun on the shelf? Yes or no? Only DIY or professional? I want to thank you guys for watching. I ask if you would please give a thumbs up, a like, share, drop a comment. If you would also share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.